Cake cookie.
Tastes like a brownie.
Too sweet.
Nothing really.
Masarap siya, pero OA lang sa icing. Pero kung ito lang, masarap siya. This one. Masyadong matamis yung icing niya.
What's your favorite? Mine is the cookie dough.
Sarap ng tres leches.
Masarap din to. Siguro I just had high expectations.
That's the crumble of the week. See you guys next week.
Crumble of the week for this week. What do y'all want us to try next?
Yeah, comment below. Rate everything. I'll give it a 7 out of 10.
Siguro 7 out of 10 then.
Really?
Bye.
Bye guys!